Dr. Fridge, Dr. Fridge, Dr. Fridge, Dr. Fridge.
Oh, hello there. You just caught me taking this fan motor apart, which is going to be the topic of this video. I want to talk about fan motors, especially how they look inside, what happens when they stop working, and just to get a bit of a better understanding of what each component look like.
Oh no, I think I'm next. Better run now. See you later.
So I'm just going to take the fan blade, this one. Just gonna like that. That's my fan blade. That's out. It's got the ring mount and the fan motor, and obviously that's your wire. This is a 3-core wire. You will have live, neutral, and earth. It doesn't work with a capacitor, this particular type. So I'm just gonna take the nuts out quickly. Now I know what's wrong with this already. The drain pan on a fridge filled up with water. Eventually that water got inside the fan motor and caused it to fail. So now I'm just gonna take this out, just like that. Just put this there. Now I need to take them apart. I'm just fascinated how things look inside. Because if you know how it looks like, then you'll know what went wrong with it, and maybe you will know how to fix it. Unfortunately, in this case, you can't fix this. There are some motors out there which are a bit more difficult to take apart. They're not designed for that particular thing, but this one is quite easy to take apart, so we can have a look. So we've got this plastic thing which the fan blade sits on. I'm just gonna pull this one out. This one. That's out. Now let's take this out. I'm gonna give it a wiggle. We've got this. Would be my rotor, and this would be my bearing. Okay. Now, what else we have? On the bearing and the rotor sits on a shaft, which is this one, and you can see the inside. And what we've got here is our stator, where you will see the wire and the coil which goes around the stator. Now the thing with this, when current flows through the coil, this in turn will create an electromagnetic field which will cause the rotor to spin. So in a way you could say that the rotor and the stator, they become magnets.
Is that the best analogy you could find?
Now bigger versions, in principle they will have the same components. They're just bigger. Some motors, again, they work with capacitors. Some motors can be on 3-phase. This is a single phase motor. Common issues with them, as you can see, this one, it has water ingress, so it caused the bearing to be very rusty, and then when it tries to run, it will get a bit stuck. So you won't allow the shaft to spin. Also, when water sits inside the motor casing, it can cause the wires to short. And also it can be a ground issue, it will blow a fuse. These are your classic symptoms. And if I try to spin this, you will hear a very grinding noise.
Dr. Fridge.